Don't believe in everything you think. Yes, my dear friends, this is the most powerful fourth step to build your positive thinking. Yes, don't believe in everything you think. A thought is not a fact, and your thoughts are not always true. Be careful of your thoughts, and be careful for your thoughts to become your destiny. Believing your thoughts is a source of great suffering. Just think and believe this quote. Keep it in mind. Your attempt may fail, but never fail to make an attempt. I just repeat it again. Your attempt may fail, but never fail to make an attempt. I want to share one beautiful story. In a village, the farmer traveling to another village to sell his 3 sheep. As on the way, he has seen the river, the lake. He wanted to go to toilet, but he don't know how to tie the 3 sheep because he is having the rope which is sufficient to tie only 2 sheep. He moved here and there. At last, he got a shop. He went to the shop and asked the shopkeeper the rope. But the shopkeeper replied, I don't have rope, but I have one beautiful idea. What he told the idea was, you tie the 2 sheep which you are having the rope, but at the same time the third sheep should see when you are tying the 2 sheep, and you act like you are tying the third sheep and go to the toilet. And the same the farmer done. As and when he came back from the toilet, he exclaimed, he was shocked. Why? Because the 3 sheep were at the same place. He was very thankful to the shopkeeper, and he untied the rope to the first 2 sheep and they started moving. But the third sheep was not at all moving. He pushed it so many times the third sheep, but not moving. He literally not understood what happened to the third sheep. What's wrong with the third sheep? And he went to the shopkeeper and again asked him, what's wrong with the third sheep? Immediately, the shopkeeper asked the farmer, have you untied the rope? The farmer replied, I have not tied up the rope. How can I untie? The shopkeeper told that you have not untied the sheep, that you and I only knows, but not the sheep. So as and when farmer went back and he untied the sheep, he acted like untied the sheep. Immediately the sheep started moving. So, my dear friends, how many of you in the position of the third sheep? Just think. Thank you so much for watching. If you want the automatic notifications whenever I upload my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.